Hey other people, it's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we will test how to get still a Brainrot script for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com, you will find it easily. And then let's click on Browse Scripts. Click on Still a Brainrot and it should load up like this. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, it's the only thing that we will have to enter, don't worry. And let me go first with my username. Click connect account and it will start fetching our Roblox profile. So guys, you should get this confirmation, click yes connect, and that's pretty much it. There we go. Now we're connected, and guys, now we will have to import Delta executor or any executor into our Roblox in order to use scripts. But don't worry, because we can do it now. So if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have different executor, just select I already have a different executor. So I currently have no, so I will leave it as it is now. No. Click import newest Delta executor and boom, we got our option for importing scripts. Click there, guys, select script that you want. I will select Forge Hub, NICUs, Overflow, and Soluna. These four, you can also Google them and see what features they have. So I will just continue with this four. Click continue and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will review more websites and so let's see. Nice, guys. API is connected. Our four scripts selected are ready and our activation key is there as well. Nice, guys. So let's click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get. So nice, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Still a Brainrot scripts are imported. Look at this. User ID and key is connected. So let's open our Roblox right now and let's test our still a Brainrot. Is it actually working? Okay, let's search it there. Yeah, still a Brainrot. Let's click play and let's see, are we actually receiving it? So let's wait for it to load up and then we will see, is it actually working? So, okay. So guys, we should receive Delta along four scripts as we got it on website. So let's see. Still nothing. Oh my god, let's go. Guys, we successfully got our Delta and let's check for the scripts now. It's the moment. Nice, guys. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna, just as we selected. Look at this. Let's click execute on any script and let's see, is it actually working? So guys, we will wait a little bit for this script to load up. Nice, guys. Look at this. We got our script for free and now we can play with those amazing scripts, guys. You can do now literally whatever you like. Let me open this, guys. So you have settings, visuals, main. Look at this, walk to base. You can automatize everything, guys. Spawn at base, look at this. Auto steal. So you can play with those options, guys. It's important just because its script actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working one. Guys, you can test more scripts and test more options, so you have endless features. Guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.